circulatory system today.
Sounds like a lot of fun. Can I help?
Of course you can! I could always use a helping hand.
Great. What's first?
First, we're going to talk about the circulatory system structure and its function.
Like the heart and veins and stuff?
And much, much more. Our circulatory system includes all the parts of the heart, like the atria, the ventricles, and the valves. And all our vessels, like the veins, the capillaries, and the arteries. It also includes the blood cells and the hemoglobin.
Right, like the different parts of the heart. The right atrium pushes the blood into the right ventricle, which goes in the pulmonary artery.
Right, and then the blood travels to the lungs. It picks up oxygen, and then it goes back to the heart, where it enters into the left atrium and the left ventricle.
And then it's pushed into the aortic valve, which carries it to the aorta, which carries it through the rest of the body. But how do the vessels work?
All of them carry blood, but arteries are the biggest and most elastic of them all. That's what the aorta is. And when arteries get smaller, they turn into capillaries, which are tiny, web-like vessels. And when capillaries thicken, they become veins, which are the vessels that carry the blood back to your heart.
Blood can be kind of gross, but it helps us in so many ways. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, which is the stuff that makes it red. And as the hemoglobin is passed through the bloodstream, it picks up all the CO2 and waste products that the body doesn't want. And it takes it to the lungs and releases it to be breathed out. Then it picks up all the oxygen and nutrients that the body does need.
Exactly. And white blood cells help us too. They help our immune system. Basically, they eat any bad cells or antigens that come into our body. But some diseases can still strike the circulatory system. One of them is called hemophilia, and it's when your blood doesn't clot correctly. Anastasia's brother Alexei had it.
Oh no, Anastasia! Help! It won't stop bleeding!
Alexei, you are such a hemo.
Help, Mama!
Oh no! Your coagulation factors aren't working! We need a doctor!
Thank you, heart. Visit www.circulatorysupply.com or buy one at any body store near you and find your true love today.
Heart attacks are another very serious problem associated with the circulatory system.
It's true. Heart attack happens when the flow of blood that is rich in O2 is cut off from the heart. This is because of plaque or something else that's built up inside the arteries, and it usually happens over many years.
Yep. Can you guess who heart attacks affect most?
Americans?
Exactly. But heart attacks can strike anyone. They're especially common if you're older because the plaque has more time to build up inside your arteries.
The symptoms of a heart attack include chest pain in the form of pressure, stabbing, or squeezing, pain in the neck, back, or arm, and shortness of breath and heartburn.
Ow. Ow, my arm. Ow, my arm. Ow, my neck. Ow, ow. False alarm.
Phew, okay. Leukemia is another circulatory disease.
It's the cancer of the blood cells.
It starts in the bone marrow and is an overproduction of white blood cells that crowd the normal cells.
The symptoms to watch out for are fever and night sweats, getting a lot of infections, excessive bruising and bleeding, and swollen lymph nodes.
Coming! Hello.
Hello. Could I interest you in a new style wig today?
Are you selling me this because I went through chemotherapy for leukemia and lost all my hair?
No. It's just a random coincidence that happens to make my efforts 100% more profitable.
Oh, well, then I guess you can come in.
This is a new, beautiful human hair wig that is in a sleek Egyptian style, and it comes in bob and long.
Well, I'm just worried it won't look like real hair, you know?
Do you want to know a secret?
Yeah.
My hair is really a wig.
No way. Let me try that on.
You look gorgeous. Remember to keep your circulatory system healthy By exercising daily and eating right.
Hypocrite.
That's all the time we have for today. Stay classy, Rad's AP Bio class. First, we're going to talk about the circulatory system and its function. Layer of muscle around them. And that's what the aorta... carry blood, but the
Hemoglobin is. Ow! Did you just bite me? Oh no! Anastasia!
and find your true love today. That was so weird.